Welcome, David here again. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to perfectly sync audio and video on Capcut PC desktop app. It's super easy, not complicated at all. It's going to take you about 1 minute, but stick around because I'm going to show you how to trim your videos when you are done syncing it so that you don't have the bad audio in it, and how you don't have the headset file you don't need also in it. So I'm going to be showing you how to remove all that. So I want you to stay. We're just going to spend a few minutes together and it's done. So I'm going to be bringing in the first file, which is this one. Please ensure you reduce your volume if you're using your headset, so it's going to be a bit loud, but I'm sure you're gonna love it. At the end of the day, this tutorial is gonna be good for anyone learning to have a professional video out there. So let's play it, and you hear a lot of noise. Let's play this. Yes, welcome back again, David here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to okay, so we add that's the first audio, and let me bring in the second audio, which is better, but this audio has a video in beginning and at the end, so it has a different size, but still the same audio, but a cleaner audio without the fan noise in it. So let's bring that in. Okay, so take that up. Right, so you can see they have different lengths, different style. Let me hide this. As you can see, I'm hiding this track so that you can hear only this track. So I'm going to play it again from beginning. Oh, I don't need to play it for beginning. We just need to wait for where the audio starts, and you're going to hear it right about now. It's going to play. You're going to hear the cleaner audio. Yes, welcome back again, David here, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make rolling end credits in Capcut. Okay, so you see those are the two audios. One is super clean, the other one is noisy with a lot of fan noise. I'm going to show you that one now. Now what we're going to do is to highlight the two clips. To do that, you're going to click on your control key button on your keyboard. If you're on Mac, that should be command key button, and press down your left mouse click to highlight both clips, or you can better still do Control A, or you do Command A. So now that you have the two clips selected, you're going to right click, and using AI capability in Capcut PC, we are just going to hit on synchronize video and audio clip. So once you do that, it's going to go out there and synchronize AI function, and there you have it. So you see it's matched up. As you can see, it made that movement, and you can see we have both clips now where we want them to be. And if we go ahead and we'll trim out, so this is how to trim out the excess audio we don't need. We can go out there and just trim that out like so. Okay, so this is where the audio ended in this one, as you can see it in this little dot. So we can just go and cut that out like so. So we're going to do Control B or Command B to cut that out. So we have those two clip cut out. We're just going to delete that part, and then we can also come out and do that to the beginning here, just like that. So I'm just going to press my shift key button and move in a frame to the right with my right arrow key, and now I have that. Right, so I have that working for me, and I'm going to select the two clips again, doing Control A, and I will do Control B. So now I have these two clips. I'm just going to delete that, and also I would delete the little excess we have here. So now we are just left with the bad audio and the good audio. So to get rid of the bad audio, like if I play it now, this is what you get. Yes, welcome back again. So you're still getting the background noise. So to get rid of the bad audio, you just need to click on this bad audio. As you can see, this is a bad audio clip. You can do it in two ways. Either you go to audio and turn down the volume here, or you just reduce it totally from here. It's up to you. So if we reduce it from here like that, so we are now, if we play it again, David here, and we are left with the good audio. But if you don't want to do it from here, for instance, let's say you have it there, you can also move your cursor. You can see where your arrow cursor is, and just see now it's showing that double arrow, as you can see. So now you right click, you left click, press down your left click button and move your mouse downwards. You see, so it happens here. Whatever you do here automatically happens here. So just watch this place while I reduce it with my left mouse click button, dragging my mouse down. So now if we play it, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make rolling end credits in Capcut PC. You're going to be learning. Okay, so you see it's super easy. So now, because this is the video clip, obviously I'm going to move that up and take the audio downwards. So now we have the audio. Remember, that's what you want to do. Don't make that mistake and just leave it there. So now if we play these two clips, you're going to see, you're going to be learning two. Okay, so this is it. Let's bring it in by clicking on the plus sign. As you can see, we've perfectly synchronized the audio and the video together in Capcut PC. I hope this was fun to you and for you. If you enjoy watching this tutorial, make sure you check my channel for other tutorials like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.